What's happening, EV fanatics? Welcome back to ElectroDrive News, where we bring you the pulse of the electric revolution. Today, we're kicking things off with some massive news from BYD Company Limited. Get ready for a deep dive into their latest moves and what it means for the global market. Next up, we're staying with BYD Company Limited as they continue to make waves. We've got exclusive insights into their strategic expansions and product unveilings that are set to redefine the EV landscape. You won't want to miss this. Then, we're heading to Munich with BYD's Stella as she breaks down their incredible new models, the exciting plans for their European factory, and the cutting-edge innovation they're bringing to the IAA Mobility 2025 show. This is a game changer. And finally, we're shifting gears to analyze the financial pulse of BYD Gaming Corporation. What do the analysts say about their stock, and what does this mean for investors? All that and more, right here on ElectroDrive News. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. BYD's European factory gears up for production. Big news is brewing from BYD Company Limited as they solidify their European presence. The automotive giant is not just talking about expansion. They are making it a reality with plans for a new factory in Hungary set to begin production by the end of 2025. This move signals a significant commitment to the European market, aiming to build a robust local supply chain with hundreds of suppliers. The first vehicle to roll off the Hungarian assembly line will be the Dolphin Surf, a model already making waves, having been recognized with the maximum 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP. This achievement highlights BYD's dedication to safety, even in their more accessible compact models. Furthermore, BYD is set to revolutionize EV charging with their flash charging network, targeting 200 to 300 installations across Europe by mid-2026. This innovative system requires minimal grid power, leveraging integrated battery storage to deliver high-speed charging, a development Stella calls a game changer for making fast charging more accessible and affordable. The market is buzzing with BYD's aggressive European strategy, with analysts watching closely to see how this expansion impacts global EV competition. Stakeholders are particularly interested in the local job creation and economic benefits this Hungarian factory will bring. Don't go anywhere, because the electric revolution is just getting started. Next, we'll dive into BYD's latest model reveals and groundbreaking tech announcements from the IAA Mobility show. BYD unveils new models and innovation at IAA Mobility 2025. BYD is making a powerful statement at the IAA Mobility 2025 show in Munich, spearheaded by Senior Vice President Stella. The company is expanding its vehicle lineup with the debut of the Seal 6 DMI Touring, their first-ever station wagon. This new model boasts incredible efficiency and practicality, offering an impressive range of over 1,300 km and potentially exceeding 1,500 km with BYD's advanced DM hybrid technologies. Li also confirmed the significant development of their European production capabilities with the upcoming Hungarian factory, emphasizing that this is concrete proof of BYD's long-term dedication to the European continent. The company is actively fostering a European supply chain, working with numerous local partners. The Dolphin Surf, recently crowned World Urban Car of the Year, will be the inaugural vehicle produced at the Hungarian facility. Adding to its accolades, the Dolphin Surf has achieved a perfect 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP, a remarkable feat for an affordable compact car, underscoring BYD's commitment to safety standards. Looking ahead, BYD plans to roll out its flash charging network across Europe, aiming for 200 to 300 charging stations by the second quarter of 2026. This technology, requiring only modest grid power and utilizing integrated battery storage to reach 1 megawatt, is hailed by Li as a revolutionary step in making high-speed charging widely available and cost-effective. Industry observers are praising BYD's dual focus on expanding its product portfolio and its charging infrastructure, signaling a comprehensive approach to the EV market. Consumers are particularly excited about the new station wagon variant and the promise of more accessible fast charging. But that's not all the automotive news we have for you today. Up next, we're analyzing the market sentiment and expert opinions surrounding BYD Gaming Corporation. BYD's Stella drives innovation and expansion at IAA Mobility 2025. BYD is making significant strides at the IAA Mobility 2025 in Munich, with Senior Vice President Stella at the forefront, showcasing new models, a European factory, and record-breaking innovation. The company is broadening its appeal with the launch of the Seal 6 DMI Touring, its first station wagon, designed for both long-range efficiency, boasting over 1,300 km, and practicality, with hybrid DM technologies pushing that range even further. Confirmed BYD's firm commitment to Europe by announcing their new factory in Hungary, slated for production by the end of 2025, stating, "This is real evidence of BYD staying in Europe." The company is building a local supply chain, collaborating with hundreds of European suppliers. The first car to be manufactured in Hungary will be the Dolphin Surf, recently recognized as the World Urban Car of the Year. Adding to its impressive credentials, the Dolphin Surf has earned a 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP, a rare achievement for an affordable compact vehicle, demonstrating BYD's dedication to high safety standards across its lineup. Looking towards the future of charging, BYD plans to deploy its flash charging network across Europe, targeting 200 to 300 installations by the second quarter of 2026. Highlighted that this technology requires minimal grid power, utilizing integrated battery storage to achieve a megawatt output, calling it the game changer that will make high-speed charging more accessible and affordable. This strategic push into Europe and the unveiling of innovative technologies are generating considerable excitement, with analysts anticipating a significant impact on the global EV market. Public reaction has been overwhelmingly positive, especially regarding the new station wagon and the promise of enhanced charging infrastructure. We've covered the electric future, now let's shift to the financial markets. Get ready for a breakdown of BYD Gaming Corporation's analyst ratings and insider activity. BYD Gaming Corporation, analysts weigh in on hold consensus. BYD Gaming Corporation, NYSE, BYD, is currently under the microscope of 14 analysts, who have collectively assigned it a consensus recommendation of hold. While 7 analysts are bullish with a buy rating, 6 recommend holding, and 1 suggests selling. The average one-year price target stands at $86.62. Recent analyst actions include Susquehanna downgrading the stock to neutral, with a price target increase to $86, Barclays boosting their target to $87 with an equal weight rating, and Mizuho upgrading to outperform with an $89 target. Raymond James Financial and Truist Financial also increased their price targets, with Truist setting theirs at $100 and rating it a buy. Insider activity shows notable sales, including CFO Josh Hirschberg selling 40,035 shares for approximately $3.42 million, and CEO Keith Smith selling 50,000 shares for about $4.15 million. In total, insiders have sold over 385,000 shares in the last 90 days, though they still hold a significant portion of the company's stock. Institutional investors have also been active, with First Trust Advisors LP significantly increasing its stake and Norges Bank acquiring a new position, among others. Overall, institutional investors hold approximately 76.81% of BYD Gaming stock. Financially, BYD Gaming reported strong quarterly earnings, exceeding expectations with $1.87 earnings per share and revenue of $1.03 billion, up 6.9% year-over-year. The company announced a quarterly dividend of 18 cents per share, payable in October. Despite the hold consensus, the company's performance metrics, including a return on equity of 40.65% and a net margin of 14.02%, present a mixed picture for investors. Analysts are closely watching BYD Gaming's performance in its various gaming segments and its online operations. The recent insider selling has raised some eyebrows, but the strong quarterly results and dividend payout are seen as positive indicators by some. That's a wrap on our market analysis for today. Stay tuned for our lightning round recap, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive updates. Get ready for a lightning-fast recap of today's top stories. We saw BYD Company Limited making massive moves in Europe, with new factories and innovative charging solutions on the horizon. BYD's Stella wowed at IAA Mobility 2025, unveiling exciting new models like the Seal 6 DMI Touring and highlighting their commitment to safety and the European market. And on the financial front, Boyd Gaming Corporation received a hold consensus from analysts, despite strong quarterly earnings and insider trading activity. That's all the electrifying news for today. If you loved this deep dive, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for more, and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Follow us on all social platforms for behind-the-scenes action. See you next time.